Up. Go back. Hey! We got it. Perfect. Bang. Is that the same? All good. That's it. Yeah, we want this short. Now, tie a knot over and then under and then pull. Pull both sides. Yep. Perfect, beautiful. And one more knot. Over and under and then pull through. And then pull both sides. Pull both sides. See? Fantastic. Okay, so this was the old one, which didn't lock properly because it was too small. And now this is the new one, slightly bigger, which works perfectly. And then this was the other one, which was way too big. And these are actually just pipe joiners, which are perfect. Pipe joiner, whereas this, that was actually just a piece of pipe, 32mm. You can see here that there's a space big enough to fit another cable tie in. So that's what we're going to do. Perfect. And then redo the clamp up, nice and tight. Perfect. And let's test. Perfect. So now I've got a nice all the way around. And then if I take this off and we show this again, we can see originally I had 8, now I've got 10 because I was able to slot another 2 in. And I think our locking mechanism should not malfunction now, which will be great. Next to the new locking mechanism, so it's just like that. And then in the actual trigger string, there's a little loop in it. So this loop, we put this loop through here. And then push that back through there. Pull that tight, okay? So, because sometimes you need to detach this to fix it or adjust it. And now we're going to slide the locking mechanism over the top. Now the problem we have now is that this spring that I made was perfect for the other one because it was a lot smaller. Whereas this one, now the spring is actually too small. So we're either going to put the base plate under here, or we'll have a quick go at this spring. We might actually make this spring a little bit bigger. Okay, let's try that. Okay, alright, so I'll put that over the top now. Yep, so if I pull this down, works perfectly. Let's try bottom, pull that down, lock goes all the way up, whereas last time the lock only got to here because it was so small. Now we've got extra cable ties, airtight, and the full lock. Okay. Alright, okay, this will go.
Yeah.
Alright, so this is our original rocket. Pop that in the lock. Okay, so now this one, where the fins are, we've got a bit of a problem now. So the locking mechanism isn't fully engaging because of where the fins are. So we're going to have to basically redesign these and cut a bit of the fins out so the locking mechanism works properly. But if we see with the new one, without the fins, locks perfect. And that needs to be done a bit tighter. Perfect. Alright, cool. Alright, so we've got tornado tubes now. So let's show them what you can do with tornado tube. So this is going to form our bigger rocket. Alright, let's go. Alright, stop. See if you have enough.
Yep, thank you. Like, why does that happen? No, you cannot see this. It's a secret.
Alright. Then
Pig. It's like bubbles, isn't it? Cool. But if we had more, equals bigger.
well, you can fill up with more water. You only filled it up half.
Oh, I
You
guess.
won't go fill it up full. Alright, so now we're going to join these two bubbles together. So get, 5 for a second. That's our first one.
Where's the red one? This is a water leak. Dad, how do you fix water leaks? It stopped raining. Dad, it stopped raining inside the head. This is barely.
Perfect. Next one.
Dad, it stopped raining. The tornado reform. Reform? Dad, here's another way to reform a tornado. Just stick it. What
So
is
then
this?
what we're going to do is we're basically going to shrink this side slightly, and then it will fit inside the other one. And then we'll have our big rocket. Perfection. Fantastic. Okay, so this is straight from the stove. Pull it apart. Let's give this a thorough clean. Make sure it's dry. Extra. There's a bit of experimenting. This is alright, so this is the finished product. Just put a bit of electrical tape to seal her up, hold it nice and straight. when you put it on the board, pretty straight, and as straight as possible. And then let's see if this PVC pressure cement we've used is any good at gluing PET, which I kind of have my doubts, but it's all an experiment. We'll see what happens. So we've got our old rocket and stage 2. I'm not sure what we're going to call it, but on the left is the Mark II and on the right is the Mark III. The improvement in Mark III is the fin design. So in the Mark I the fins blew off because we used hot glue gun. So this time we've used a bit of electrical tape, and that's actually a hold on, but the cardboard's really heavy. This one, we've used electrical tape again, but the fins are rather this corrugated polycarb, which is really strong and very lightweight. So it's a bit windy today, so we'll see how she goes. Yep, good. All right. Now careful. Get on the launcher.
Maybe a bit longer.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I didn't see that.
I'd say that was a successful launch, yeah? The baby. Alright, try it again.
Yeah.
Okay.
That thing just does not like your car. That thing just does not like your car.
Alright, so we've filled it up to this line here, a little bit over third.
Yep.
So we go. Oh, you want me to do it? Alright. How much PSI are we going to go to?
See.
Solid as a rock.
Let's do it again.
Alright, water?
Pull it though.
Same water or more? That looks good. Pump her up. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Just get it go. I don't think you got on properly. Keep going. Keep going. We have a leak. Keep going. Malfunction. Keep going. Keep going. Alright, so these fins have proven to be a fantastic design, solid as, really good. It's recording, babe.
These are better though. These are better.
But we've got a bit of a water leak, so I'll put in a bit of extra. Stop it, Logan. We've got a bit bit of a water leak, so I put some extra water.
These ones are better.
Alright,
They are very better.
Alright, switch it on.
Okay.
We got 50, we got 60, 70, so 70 it starts to lose a bit of water. 80, but we've got a lot of water in there, so that's fine. 90, 90,
100?
100, that's about as far as it goes. Whoa! All right, no water leak, 80, 90, keep going, don't switch it off. All right, got to about 90. Woo! Yeah. Check out the gas.